Okay, so welcome back. Today we're going to try and get the engine and gearbox back in the Caterham. Gearbox is set on the bench now, exactly how we left it. The only thing that I have done is I've made a little nylon bung. I don't know if you can see this. Just turned that up on the lathe, and basically we put that into the tail of the gearbox, because when it's full of oil, when you put it into the car, the oil will run out. So that just fits snugly on there. So the oil I'm using is this, which is gear oil. It's semi-synthetic, it's a GL4. It's about level on the bench there. I'm going to fill it up until it starts coming out of the oil level there. You can't access it when it's in the car, so now is the time to do it. So let's get the oil in. With any luck, we won't get any leaks. If we do get any leaks, I should be swearing. Okay, so we're going to try and get the engine and gearbox into the car now. One of my chief concerns, well, I've got two concerns. I've actually got lots of concerns, but one of them is I'm not sure how I'm going to line the prop shaft up with the back of the gearbox. And the other one is I've got to make sure I put that exhaust manifold in. So let's get the engine and gearbox back into the car, and then we'll worry about put it all back together then. pressure. And it started. Okay, so there we go. All ready to go now. So all you got to do is go and try it. So remember, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and we'll see you next time.